4000W/5000 peak powerful e-bikes for adults, featuring a powerful performance with 2500W plus 2500W peak dual motor high-powered output, 220 Nm torque, low noise brushless motor, up to speed 40 to 45 miles per hour, well able to take on even the most rugged of terrains without much effort from the rider. Compared to lower power motors, the electric bicycle for adults offers a seamless, faster, more exhilarating riding experience whether starting from a stop or increasing speed. 52V36Ah large capacity battery. Adopted 1872Wh large capacity Li-ion battery to extend mileage. Qianchice 52V e-bike features a capable of meeting long riding range, providing a long distance of 56 to 100 miles in PAS mode and 37 miles in pure electric mode, 9 to 10 hours charging fully. The long-range electric bike can be ready to explore every scenery along the way. No anxiety, enjoy the joy of cycling. UL2849 certified removable battery, waterproof, key lock, anti-theft and security. Dual hydraulic disc brakes and multiple shock absorption. Qianchice Q9 Pro upgraded hydraulic disc brake system offers more stronger and safer braking power, longer lifespan, all-weather suitability, outstanding performance and less maintenance. Lockable suspension shock front fork, shock absorber soft saddle, equipped with high-strength carbon steel and lightweight aluminum frame. To the people who value safety, stability, and comfort, this electric bicycle is good choice.